finally found a way to make it to the lake. Okay, so seeing the CDMX sign, total surprise. I wasn't expecting that. And you know, one of the cool things was, you know, the area is completely clear. Remote control video with my phone has really changed the way that I take videos. Like, I'm able to shoot like standing, moving. I can put it anywhere. I mean, it's amazing. So I'm really close to that CDMX sign that I saw earlier, and it's a really nice view. So I want to see if I can capture it again. Here we are, the big sign. I guess this is the place where everybody sets up shop. Walk a little bit closer to the zoo, see if there's anything here. It's one of those like auto park systems that like parks itself. Oh, there it goes. Bye-bye, car. How's it going? Good to see you. Attila and I are just getting ready. We're going to be going to the Tecno Multimedia soon.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and right behind us is like an actual interview. Look, there's like a camera crew.
Maybe they're going to the exhibition as well.
Maybe. Gracias. Oh, really? Now it's called Pepsi Center? Pepsi World Trade Center. And they have a Coke building near us as well.
Yeah.
And they also have Scotiabank Pepsi Center. Ready to go. Yeah, gracias. Okay.
We had been operating as an industry association under the name Infocomm for, at that point, about 12 years. The industry has changed dramatically over that time. We as an association have been in existence since 1939. Or do you mean Infocomm the show, or do you mean Infocomm the association? We are an industry association. We are a not-for-profit association that exists to do things that no for-profit company would or could do. Yeah. We announced and changed our name to the Audiovisual, which is what we do, and Integrated Experiences, which is what we create, and that last A, Association, to celebrate the fact that we are, in fact, an association. Are proud about the fact that we're an industry that creates experiences. But we need a much larger group of people to contribute to those than we used to. We need the architects, we need content producers, we need creative agencies. We still own and operate shows, both on our own and with our partners. There are a number of aspects of the industry that are impacting all of our members pretty aggressively right now. One is a shortage of skilled workforce, a better educated and more demanding customer, creating student engagement in classrooms. It's this need to use the technology to bring people together and ensure that they feel a sense of belonging. Together, we can change the way people experience the world. You have to have talented employees who can make good decisions, and those employees may be anywhere in the world, and you have to give them an environment they can do that in. There's a shift in many ways from hardware solutions to software solutions.
I'm here with David Labuskes. He's the CEO of AVIXA.
Yes.
And he's shared a couple really interesting insights about the trends in the industry. Have you seen any trends in terms of the use of video in education?
Absolutely. I mean, there's a flipped classroom, everything that is involved in allowing students to engage with the education environment, both within and without the classroom. I think we're seeing movements across universities where it's it's hard to even identify where the classroom ends and the lobby starts. And so much learning is taking place across so many different platforms within a university, and all of that's enabled by connectivity and video.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much.
My
pleasure.
pleasure.
Appreciate it. I really liked the thoughts that he was able to share when it comes to the use of services, like less capital costs. These are all things that we see a lot in this industry, and it just makes sense. It's just like doing more of what the customer needs. The customer is aware. They've already seen a lot of other displays. They're looking for things that will really set them apart. I'm here on the show floor of Tecno Multimedia, and I'm going to check out a few different organizations just to see what kind of technology is out here, what kind of trends they're seeing. Water. It's got a cloud. What's best? We're being shown live. Some Spanish content in this corner over here, some questions, and we also have look for the primary numbers in this particular activity. I'm here with Javier Herrera, and he's the general manager for BenQ in Mexico. And so here he's going to show some of the new interesting things, I guess, this year.
We're trying to work a lot in the retail area with all our digital signage stuff on front. You can have a video running or promoting your product, right? So the main idea is
a video.
Yes, this is a helmet. You're running a video.
It's like a retail store with everything here.
And another with a sensor. Okay. You're supposed to take it out. The whole scenario of a bar. Yeah. Sometimes the teachers want it to be easier, right? For them. So as long as we can help them to develop the content or give them a easy solution for them to give them the classes, it will be easier for them.
An interesting observation from my interviews so far. Teachers and people in general are generally looking for tools or for technology to save them time. Finding technology that really helps them save time is really got to be the key goal. One of the trends about kind of moving to software as a service, or maybe content as a service, like just not spending as much money in order to make sure that the technology is the right one for you to solve your problems, is just a good investment.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you'd like to be notified when new videos come out, click the bell.